We are Electra, a specialist in electrical lighting and digital building products for infrastructures. We ensure customer satisfaction from initial concept to pre-sales and after-sales. Customized solutions because we are ready to go that little bit further to ensure our clients get the best individual service possible.
With 38 years' experience, we pride ourselves on offering products and solutions you can rely on. Our experience ensures we understand your needs. We are constantly evolving so that we can supply you with the products that not only exceed the demands of today, but will serve you in the years to come.
At Electra, we have three key principles. We offer reliability, quality and safety. We are open, committed, friendly and informed. And we always strive to do our utmost to deliver on what we say and what we promise.
Whether the project is commercial or industrial, residential or business, with our customized solutions, value engineering, and 24/7 service support, we strive to provide care and satisfaction every step of the way.
We are proud of our extensive and varied portfolio, which highlights Electra's position as one of the leading providers of lighting and quality electrical technology in the local multi-use market.
At Electra, we know there is nothing worse than technology letting you down, and how ultimately that can cost time and money. We pride ourselves on offering uninterruptible power supply, so the loss of business due to power failure is a thing of the past. With our UPS's surge protection and extensive range of brands, we help make sure you are always connected.
We offer electrical solutions to ensure our clients make energy safer, reliable, efficient, and value for money. Our extensive range of solutions are cater designed for distribution, protection, automation, control and management of electrical systems. With our wide range of products, we ensure you will make the most of your energy.
Electra is synonymous with value and quality lighting products, expert consultation and design. We believe it is vitally important to create the right atmosphere for any environment by optimizing the quality of light and using energy-efficient solutions. We can transform any environment to suit your budget.
Electra offers you customized solutions that are energy efficient and tailor-made to your specifications and budget. Renowned quality products deserve the technical assistance that we deliver. All of our products are backed by the highly trained services of an electrical engineer and our expert team of technicians, each specifically trained to provide you with technical assistance and after-sales service.
We are open, we are friendly, and we are informed. We offer reliability, commitment, and security. We sell, we deliver, and we ensure customer satisfaction. We have strong principles and care about our employees, our customers, and the environment, adhering to fair business practice and working towards a sustainable future for all. We are trustworthy, working hand in hand with you, ensuring your needs come first. Whether it be in the commercial, residential, industrial, or business sectors, Electra can offer you flexible, niche solutions for all your electrical, lighting, and IT needs. Electra, built around your needs.